Now I am going over the small canal. This place is an old archaeological place in our Sri Lanka. You can see ancient ruins stone this place. Now I am going in front of. I am standing ancient archaeological site in this place. You can see old stone this place. That's archaeological ruins in our Sri Lanka. All our history. This place I am going in front of. You can see what is the nearly. We are going in front of. This place is very old in our Sri Lanka. Do you know what this place are? You see the place 2500 old years. These broken stone pillars can be seen. These stone pillars indicate that is security around in the middle of craft. They are nearly from it branch around this. This place is a old place in our Buddhist. You can see this place Bodh. This is the place where the tooth relic was first place where the Buddha passed away. You can see the ancient stone design. See how beautiful they are, stone beamed and cut and polished. These are so smooth today. How could they be then? These are 2000 of years old stone design. This is how the place must have been then. These historical sites are burial today. You go to India, can look at the monument, but there are, you can see ruins. This is a historical of more than 2500 years. That is our all history of our Sri Lanka. This is you can see in ancient stone ruins this place in our all history. Now I am going a step. There are stone steps on both sides and the inside filled with soil. This chamber had their pillars you can see now. With modern technology today, these things cannot be done easily. Their stone slab weighed tons. These were so beautiful design because of the advanced stone technology in the past. Our government authorities in the country do not care much about their being destroyed in this place, where is one by destroyed ancient stores, ancient